Iran's new Toofan MRAP, armored vehicle resistant to mines, ambushes. Iran's defense industry has made great progress in manufacturing military equipment and has made the country needless of foreign products. The defense industry has made significant achievements in meeting the country's need for personnel carriers and armored vehicles and managed to achieve significant success by effectively investing and using local knowledge. These vehicles are crucial to meet the needs of the military, especially to protect the lives of soldiers, especially in border security. Due to the increasing use of anti-vehicle mines and roadside bombs, the defense industry has developed various anti-mine and anti-ambush personnel carriers called MRAP, which has become a practical product in border security. MRAP Toofan is one of the anti-mine and anti-ambush personnel carriers made in Iran, which has increased the agility and efficiency of the armed forces in protecting soldiers. This vehicle was built in Iran's Defense Industries Organization for combat support missions and traffic in war and operational zones. Prototypes of the Toofan MRAP have been seen at the Police Equipment Exhibition, IPAS, in recent years. For the first time in 2016, during the IPAS exhibition, the Iranian Toofan MRAP was displayed. It seems that the vehicle is designed based on a successful Canadian design called Typhoon, made by the Street Group company and produced by Iranian experts, completely indigenous. The production line of the armored vehicle was inaugurated in November 2018 with the delivery of 5 units. At the unveiling ceremony, the Iranian Defense Minister Brigadier General Amir Hatami announced that the final cost for each vehicle in this class would be less than $500,000, which is definitely very significant. During the September 22, 2019, Parade of the Armed Forces in Tehran, the Toofan MRAP was shown for the first time in a vehicle parade of the IRGC ground forces. The IRGC ground forces, the Naja Border Guard Command, and the Iraqi Popular Mobilization Units, PMU, used the Iran-made MRAP. Toofan MRAP is a 4x4 armored vehicle with a height of 3 meters and a weight of 14 tons. It enjoys STANAG 4569 Level 3 protection. This level of protection means that the vehicle can withstand bullets up to 7.62 x 51 caliber, the explosion of 8K TNT under the body, and the explosion of a 155 mm bullet at a distance of 60 meters. It can almost be said that this level of protection will be sufficient for Iran's borders and will neutralize most of the threats. Naturally, this vehicle also has the potential to be upgraded to a higher level of protection. Under the body of Toofan, a V-shaped design is used to create the most deviation in the blast wave, and for threats such as RPG series rockets, cage armor that has been available in Iran for many years can be easily installed on the vehicle. The tires have the ability to move in puncture mode up to 50 kilometers while being equipped with a central air control system for tires. Its water-cooled 8-cylinder diesel engine produces 260 horsepower for the two-differential vehicle. Its maximum speed on the road is 100 km/h, and it has a 9-speed manual gearbox. Toofan MRAP can cross obstacles, rivers, and water canals with a depth of 1.5 meters and vertical barriers of 50 centimeters. It can move on a 60% longitudinal slope and a 30% transverse slope, which is considered a good kinetic ability. Toofan has length, width, and height to the ceiling of 7, 2.47, and 3.01 meters, respectively. This vehicle is capable of carrying one driver, a commander, and 8 armed soldiers. The door is independent for the driver and the person on the side, and the door for other passengers is installed in the rear of the vehicle. 8 windows for firing from inside are prepared, and a moving turret with a height of 44 centimeters is also installed on the roof, which can also use 14.5mm caliber ammunition, with a protective cover installed around the user of the weapon. For further security in low visibility conditions, 2 cameras are provided on the front and rear of the vehicle, and for more comfort of the onboard people in different conditions, air conditioning, cooling, and heating systems are prepared. Toofan also uses explosion-proof seats.